Good morning, dear students. Today we will continue the same chapter, Introduction to the Photoshop CS6. The topic that we have to introduce today is Lasso Tool. Lasso Tool is the third tool which is present in your Tools panel. This tool is used to select the images, although you have also used the Marquee tool to select the images. Now, why we need to use this Lasso Tool? Because using Marquee tool, you can select only the images in either rectangular shape or elliptical shape, but you can't select the image in an irregular shape. So, to overcome that, we have this Lasso Tool. Using this tool, you can select any image in any irregular shape. So there are three types of Lasso Tool which is available in the Photoshop, and that are Lasso Tool, number one. The second is Polygon Lasso Tool, and the third one is Magnetic Lasso Tool. Although all three are used to do the same work, to select a shape in an irregular form. The first one is regular, which is Lasso Tool, which is most commonly used to select the part of image in an irregular shape. Now the question is, how to use this Lasso Tool? First, open any image, click the Lasso Tool drop down button and select the Lasso Tool. Click on any part of the image from where you want to begin your selection. Then drag your mouse to select the required part of the image, and at the end release the mouse button. Remember, during the whole process of selection using this Lasso Tool, you have to keep your left mouse button pressed and drag it over the area that you select, and at the end when you have finished your selection, only then you have to release your mouse button. The next tool is Polygon Lasso Tool. This Lasso Tool is similar to the previous one, but here you will get an additional feature that using this you can select the image having the straight lines. This is the shape or logo of the Polygon Lasso Tool. This tool is basically used when you have to select a closed figure. So as the name represents polygon, it is used to select the image with the straight lines in a closed manner. To use the Polygon Lasso Tool, follow these simple steps. Open any image, click the Polygon Lasso Tool, click on any part of the image, drag the mouse over the part and you will see a line will follow your polygon lasso. Click again to draw the first line between the two mouse points or two mouse clicks. Move the mouse to the next point and click again. To continue the process till you reach the starting point. Now here it is very similar as you draw the lines on your notebook. So first you have to put your scale and then you will select the 2 points between which you want to draw a line. So in the similar way you have to click on the first point that you want to select, and then move your mouse and then click on the last point, and that will automatically draw a dashed line. That means that is selected now. So in this way you can select the image with the straight line using Polygon Lasso Tool. Magnetic Lasso Tool. This is the third type of Lasso Tool used to select the images. It is used to select the part of image along the outline boundaries of the image with curved line. Earlier we are using for the straight lines, and here it will be for the curved lines. Now let's see what will be the steps. So the steps to use Magnetic Lasso Tool is: open any image, click the Magnetic Lasso Tool, click on any part of the image to be selected, drag the mouse over the object to select it. You will see a dashed border along with the edges. Double click at the ending point